go to Chrome and then type youtube.com. And then click the three dots and then click desktop site. And then click your profile picture. And then click YouTube Studio. And then click the video sign. And then select a video that you want to put end screen. Click the pencil sign. And then click end screen. And then select an element you desired. And then drag the line at the end of your video. And then click save. And then back and go to your channel. Click your profile picture. Then click your channel. And then play the video. Let's forward the video to be quick. There you go, end screen done.